Hello guys, welcome back. I'd like to show you an item which I bought from AliExpress. This costs around 38.5 USD. Alright. And the brand is Highten. Okay. Okay. It's a set of power handle with knob. Okay. This is really cool and really unique design. The power handle, right? Let's open this on the box, right? You can adjust the distance from the shaft going to the power handle by 5 mm. Alright, so this means that you can gain more power, alright, torque in retrieving when you move it to 70, and you can have it on you can retrieve faster when you have it on 65. Right, it arrived on the with 65 mm distance from the power shaft, but you can just the key is supplied, right? It's an Allen key. It's inside. The key comes along with it. All right. It's really cool. I'll show you later. Okay. So you can remove this. All right. Then you can move it here. What really cool about this is by removing this. All right. Okay. You can now customize it as a Daiwa power handle, right? At this configuration, you'll be able to see this is Shimano power handle. Actually, I already bought some. This is the third item that I bought. This is my Stella C5000, okay, FK, right? I was so disappointed by the power handle of this knob, of this reel, sorry, because it's kinda small. All right, like I have fat hands and it's kinda small, so every time I go about jigging, let's say for 12 hours, it creates fatigue. Okay, it's like too small for me. I would love to have it bigger, and then by searching online I found this. Alright, this is slightly bigger and wider than the stock FK power knob. Alright, the design is comparable to Saltiga. Okay. So let me show you now my FK handle. Right, this is my FK handle, right? Okay, also the ceiling is there. This is the stock FK. Okay, stock power handle of FK. See, the rubber grommet is there for water sealing, and if you can see the distance, this is, see, distance from the shaft. Actually, it's lesser than 65 mm. It's around maybe, let's say, 45, if I'm not mistaken. However, this one can be adjusted to 65 and 70, as I previously mentioned. So stock it arrived. Let's see the fitment. Works perfectly well, and it's still light. Still light, right? Perfectly well. Now the magic here. Okay, this is FK. Now moving forward to exist. All right, this is Saltiga exist. Okay, exist. This exist. The diameter is almost the same. Okay, the width is almost the same. I actually have no problem with the exist handle. right? It's comfy, smooth, right? Okay, but I still want to show you something really nice. Okay, this is Shimano, right? Now we're going to make it Daiwa and move it to 70 mm distance away from the power knob. So by just removing this, the Allen key is provided. Okay, you don't need to what's this? Take out your tools. This has also rubber here. Okay, for water protection. Okay, now we remove this. Okay, Shimano mount, Daiwa mount. Okay, put it here. Now let's remove first this back plate. Okay, now remove it to 70. Okay, right, put it inside. Sorry, the one, the Daiwa one. Okay, put it inside. Now put the stopper. Okay, stopper. Okay, there are two sides, right? The smooth part and the ones with grooves. That's the one that goes outside. Okay, just be patient with me. Yeah, that's it. Put this one back. I would prefer putting a Loctite on this one just for safety purposes, so it doesn't get loose while you're jigging. If you have this thread locker, okay, just put a bit on it, on the thread. Okay, just tiny bit, and voila. So okay, tighten it. Now let's see the moment of truth. Daiwa exists. Fits perfectly like stock. Shit, sorry for that, because the handle is long. Okay, that's Daiwa now. Okay, silver gold. This one's pure silver. Okay, next we'll try to mount it on Saltiga. Okay, Saltiga. Let's compare the diameter of the power knob first. Okay, Saltiga is way too big, but the design, you see, it's similar, almost similar, almost a direct copy, but it's bigger. Okay, now mounting to the Saltiga. Let's see. Okay. Will it fit? Daiwa is always tricky to mount, not like Shimano and Pen. And why does not it fit? Should fit, but I don't know why. It does not fit the Saltiga 5000. Let's go to BG 2023. Okay, fits Daiwa BG 2023. Okay, why does it not that fit? This is the Daiwa BG handle 2023. Okay, and then let's try to fit it on Saltiga. It really does not fit. Okay, so let's see why it does not. Okay, okay, the thread of Saltiga is bigger, slightly bigger than the Exist and Daiwa BG. Okay, so it really does not fit. Okay, so okay, you just found out that this item, the power knob that I bought from AliExpress, does not fit the Saltiga. However, it fits Daiwa BG 5000 2023 and the Exist. So okay, and Daiwa BG also handle fits the Exist. This is what I'm currently using because it's comfy, comfortable, right? And then I'll move this to my BG, okay, because it's gold. Hey, why are you not fitting? Yup. Okay, nice. And this keeps on the handle. So guys, this also comes in 3 colors, I believe. The silver and gold. All right, gold stripes. Okay, call it shade of gold. This only comes with this also comes with silver. Sorry for that. This also comes with silver. All right, or gray, I think. Sorry, gray. And the other color is black and red, I believe. Okay, you can search it over AliExpress platform, and this is the brand Highten power handle. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. All right. Until next video. Bye.